Good afternoon, guys. It's your boy Thomas here. I'm bringing back another video, as you know, otherwise you wouldn't have clicked this. But you might be wondering, what is this video about? What is Lowglow? Well, I'm here to tell you what it is. It's an underglow kit for your car. It's outdoing every other underglow kit that's out on the market right this very second. Like, look how smooth the transitions are. It's a chasing light. There's over 200 presets for it. You can even do static colors and everything like that. It's outdoing all of the underglow kits that you can buy on Amazon, eBay, Wish, whatever you want to call it, or wherever you want to buy it. It is outdoing all of them. I mean, just look how vibrant it is. And today I'm going to be unboxing what actually comes in the kit, so that way you guys know what you're getting yourself into. So here's the box that you will receive when you first get your kit. Has the logo right up on top and also has their @name for Instagram, lowglow.shop, right on the front box. And there's nothing else on the sides, nothing else on the back, and there's nothing else on the bottom. And this is what you should expect when you open it up. Well, I got a nice little love note from Patrick, who is the owner, and everything that you need for the kit right in here. So first off, you have a couple stickers, instructions, and here's the other stickers, which are actually really dope. I gotta find a place to put some of these because they're just super sick. And over here we have the instructions, and well, yeah, there's the instructions, and it also tells you what comes inside of it. So this is basically your packing slip. This is a side order that I got from him. It's a banner actually for my car. But let's go ahead and jump into the juicy stuff of what's actually inside the box, like what you're gonna be putting onto your car. So first and foremost, we have the front LED strips. Then we have the side LED strips. And then finally, we have the rear LED strips, all nice and packed tight. Which, that is the majority of the box, is just these big packages. But then we have the connection cables for everything, as well as the power cable to go to your battery in your car. Next up, we also have some zip ties. It's really handy to come with. I use some zip ties and 3M on mine. Double-sided connectors to attach to your car, or wherever you want to hang your lines. That way you can zip tie them up and everything like that. That's mainly for the wiring part. And the final piece of it all, we have the actual controller, the receiver, you want to call it, right here, the magic controller. And that is everything that you got in the box. Patrick, you're the best for this. So there you have it. We have the stickers, the packing slip, as well as the instructions, the connection cables, as well as the power cable, the front, the rear, the side LED strips, zip ties, zip tie connector things that you can, put the zip ties on and through. I forget what they're actually called, I'm sorry. And the controller itself. Now you might be wondering, will it fit my car? Well, the answer to that, yes. Yes, it will, and it can. So we're gonna hop onto the computer side of it, and I will go through the website for you and help you, pick out what you need for your car. So once you have your browser open, you wanna type in lowglow.shop. I've already been here, so obviously it just auto-filled for me, and you're gonna be presented with FRS Patty's car with the Lowglow on it, as well as his buddy's car that also has Lowglow installed on it. So the next step that you're gonna wanna do is go to shop. And once you click shop, you're going to be presented with the Lowglow, the actual kit itself, replacement LED strips, which if you haven't bought it yet, you shouldn't need it yet, and the windshield banners, which I showed also came with my box because I ordered a windshield banner. So go ahead and click the Lowglow, and you're going to be presented with everything that you need to do to get your Lowglow for your car and how it will fit for your car. And my camera's in the way, but it's just showing the pictures right here of everything that comes with the kit, which is literally everything that I just showed you, actually. So the biggest thing, and I can't stress this enough, you have to measure your own car for what the strips are going to be for the lengthwise. So once you measure your front bumper or your front lip, whichever one you're going to be putting it on, if you have a front lip or a front bumper, you're going to measure it, and here are the lengths that you're going to be presented with. Same with the sides, and same with the rear. And if you are curious about the LED strips, are they waterproof since you want to run them on your car? Yes, they are waterproof, hence why this is probably one of the best kits that you will find on the market at this point in time right now. And as this video goes live, you will be able to pre-order this exact kit right here on Friday, July 23rd. Or if you're watching this in the future, you can go right to the website lowglow.shop and order a kit yourself. And that's how easy it is to get a kit of Lowglow for your car in literally less than 5 minutes. And here I'll start throwing in a couple pictures that I have of my car with the Lowglow kit on it, as well as some of the others like Patrick's car, my buddy Damon's car, and everything like that. And here's a couple of videos and clips of everything so you guys can see how it's actually going to look, just so you know what you're getting yourself into when buying this kit. I would not recommend any other kit besides this one. Note, this is not a paid sponsorship at all in any way, shape, or form. I make absolutely zero money on this. But I would not recommend something that I would not put on my own car, and obviously it's already on my car. Also, be sure to check out my Twitch streams where I usually stream Rocket League, Call of Duty Warzone, and I usually just mess around and play video games. We talk about cars in the chat all the time, and we're basically gaming nerds with cars as a hobby as well. So be sure to click the link down in the description to follow the Twitch as well. But that's going to do it for the video today, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this of whether or not you guys should get low glow and everything like that. Hopefully some of the clips and photos that I showed you are an absolute selling point on this and how easy it is to use. It's super user-friendly. I've installed it on my car. Patrick has installed it on his car, and I know he's installed a whole bunch of other kits. Super user-friendly, and a whole bunch of other people that have already bought the kit that were before the pre-orders have installed it and had absolutely zero problems. So links will be down below in the description if you guys want to go ahead and order yourself a kit. Like I said, if you guys are seeing this video the day that this goes live, you will be able to pick up your kit July 23rd. And if you're seeing this in the future, well then you need to hop on this and already get your Underglow, because this is the best kit in the world right now for Underglow. But with that being said, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful night, a wonderful day tomorrow, and as always, doses.